What up, YouTube? Your boy is back and I'm in Costa Rica. This video we're gonna be checking out the La Plaza waterfall right here. Hey guys, actually like a nice little hiking excursion we're gonna go through. There's a couple trails you can take, 4 waterfalls to see. Mega Blanca is the biggest one, but stay tuned, so we're gonna go check it out. Remember to Costa Rica, smash that like button. Stay tuned. Started the path. You guys remember the crew, same crew that came with me to Colombia, doing it big. Buddy's in this one. So there's 4 waterfalls coming up. It's gonna take a minute till we get there, but as I was looking at the map, I finally saw a spot for monkeys. So we're gonna check out some monkeys. Missed my chance in Colombia. Gonna see them here. Super excited. All right, behind me got butterfly exhibit. I heard a lot of beautiful things about it. I heard a lot of people specialize in that field. Not something I'm too interested in. I'm more about the monkeys right here. Let's check them out. Oh, look at my little dude. I had a little close up of him earlier. Oh, he's getting closer. What up? What's up?
That is how you live. SPF. Swag Poppy Trio.
Real? You hear that? These are the contained cats in here. We go ATV and we're gonna see the wild ones. All right, we just made it to the first waterfall. I'm gonna put the map in there, but we got the top one and then there's gonna go straight down to 3 more. Easiest waterfall to get to so far. You saw my Hawaii video. I almost died trying to find that waterfall, so much easier hike today. All right, looks like we can actually get to the bottom floor, which is nice. Right next to the fucking waterfall. Bridge right there. Yeah. Okay, so we just took an amazing picture just like they got lined up. We just took one of those with a drone actually, so it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna get that picture from my buddy. I'm gonna post it. You guys can check it out. It's gonna be nice. Woo! Woo! That feels good. I will. Alright, we've made it to the biggest waterfall among the 4. I forgot what it was called, but look how big this is. I kind of just want to go jump. If I knew it was safe, I would do it. I think everybody would though. Just now realizing that I hope you can hear me in my videos. I don't have a mic and it's kind of loud. Here's the waterfall too, from behind. From the bottom, not from behind, from the bottom. Focus on my face.
Right, nice.
Just hit the 3rd waterfall.
Hey, T, come here.
Check it out. Check it out. All right, so we just went through all of the waterfalls. Now we came back to the exhibit to check out the wildcats. Right here in this cage. Gotta see them.